Hi everyone, my name is Megan and I'm a solutions architect here at Databricks. And today we're going to be talking about Lakehouse Federation. Many organizations face challenges managing data spread across varying databases, warehouses, and other systems. This often leads to complexity of integration to get insights from the data. Federation itself is a process of integrating and querying data from multiple sources as if they were a single unified source. Databricks has what's called Lakehouse Federation, which is a query platform that allows you to run queries across multiple external locations right within the Databricks platform. Even better, these federated objects benefit from the governance and lineage tools of Unity Catalog. So now I'm going to hop into the Databricks platform to show you it in action. So in our workspace catalog, we can head on over to external data and then connections. And this is where admins can view and manage all external connections. When I go to create a connection, we can see all the different data sources we can connect to. Once the connection is set up, I can create what's called a foreign catalog, which will mirror the database in the external system that it's connected to. Both of these steps can be done via the UI or a simple SQL query. In this example, I have a connection in this foreign catalog set up to MySQL. So you'll notice quickly how similar this catalog looks to all of my other catalogs. I, of course, can set permissions at the catalog, schema, and the table level. So if I dive into one of my tables, if I take a look at this sales table, I get the features such as the sample data view, details, permissions, and lineage. So if I want to look at the lineage graph, you can see any downstream tables or models that are created off of this table. And as well as insights if I want to see who has been querying this table frequently. I can also query this table just as I would any other in Databricks. So for example, say I want to get all of the sales whose quantity is greater than 0. Here I will be directly querying the MySQL database. Lakehouse Federation also supports predicate pushdowns for some of its external sources. So this where clause here is actually pushing the filtering down to the data source in order to avoid scanning and returning unnecessary data before it even comes to Databricks. And this is going to really help speed up your querying. I can also make a new table from this using a simple ctest statement. Here I'm making a table that is going to be in a different non-foreign catalog. Additional resources on Lakehouse Federation can be found on the Databricks documentation and the Databricks Demo Center, which you can find at databricks.com/demos. Thank you.